pulse like a bomb in my chest. Teeth grinding sparks, no goddamn rest. Walls feel tight, air tastes wrong. Been swallowing venom way too long. Every shove, every slide, every calm that held down, every fake little smile in this deadbeat town. Stacked up high like gasoline fumes. One more breath and this whole thing booms. I'm past pissed off, I'm snapping in two. Hear that crack, that's hell breaking through. Gates blown wide, let the fire run loose. No more leash, no more news. Sirens screaming in the back of my head. Red line rage, seen nothing but red. You want it quiet, you want it tame. Too damn late, I'm all flame. Heartbeat kicking like a boot to a door. Knuckles itching for a goddamn war. Pressure cooking in a skull too tight. Black smoke pouring from the white of my eyes. I bit my tongue till it bled. Swallowed every word I should have said. Not a last thin thread just tore apart. Hear that thunder, that's my heart. I'm past pissed off, I'm snapping in two. Hell's let loose and it's overdue. Chain reaction, no control. Molotov soul in a broken bowl. You fed the beast, you lit the fuse. Now you're shocked, I got nothing to lose. You built this storm, you stacked this blame. Now stand back, here comes the flame. No more holding it in, no more playing pretend, no more swallowing sin. This is where I am, or where I begin.